Hi guys, our next question is in pharmacology, 5 marks very important. What are the different nature and sources of drugs? This is a very important question asked many times. Now let's see the answer for this. Before going to this, first we have to study nature of drugs. What is this nature of drugs? See, all drugs are chemically entities with simple or complex molecules. If you take any drug, that drug either it is made up of simple molecule or complex molecule. Now, basically, drugs are classified as inorganic drugs and organic drugs. In inorganic drugs, some drugs are of inorganic nature, like ferrous sulfate or lithium carbonate. Next, in organic drugs, majority of the drugs are organic compounds only. Okay, you know that aspirin or morphine or alcohols. Majority of the drugs are solid in nature, and the molecular weight of those drugs is 100 to 1000 micron. And one more very important here is see here the drugs are classified means according to their action. I am discussing here about the nature of the drug on the basis of the preventive means those drugs which are used to prevent the cause of the disease, those are known as a preventive nature of the drugs. Clear? And symptomatic means those drugs which will clear the symptoms of the disease, like paracetamol, that drugs are known as a symptomatic drugs. Okay, this is also one nature. Then a diagnostic, those drugs which helps to determine the treatment or cause of the disease. Clear? And this is the also one of the nature of the drug. Now here we all studied the nature of the drugs. How can we know the disease, particular disease, by knowing the nature of that particular drug? Now let's study the one more very important subclass, means the next one, that is the sources of drugs. See, sources of drugs, the drugs can be achieved or the drugs can be extracted from the plants, animals, microbes, minerals, synthetic, biotechnology. Clear? These all are from where we can collect the sources of drugs. Now one by one we will study that. The first source is plants. From plants, what is the source for the medicine or for the drugs? My dear brothers and sisters, here many plants contain biological active substances, and these are the oldest source of drugs. For example, tulsi, you are used for the treatment of cough. Neem, used as an antimicrobial agent. Now this is about the plant. Now next is about the animals. Though animals parts have been used as a cure since early times, many in modern days they are using cure as in their parts, okay, to cure the many patients. Used for making vaccines, we are using some of the animal pancreatics or some of the animal hormones. Then used of insulin for control diabetes, animal insulin today also using, but not in major cases. In minor cases, means minute constituents, we are using this type of insulin to control the diabetes. Okay, elsewhere we are using some of the biotechnology services. Later we will discuss that one. Next is of microbes. See, most antibiotics are obtained from microbes only, like fungi, bacteria, etc. Example, if we give means a penicillin, then a tetracycline. These all are the antibiotics we were collecting from the microbes. The minerals, the fourth one, minerals. There are many more minerals which are used as in medicinal substances, like iron to treat the anemia, zinc for the wound healing, iodine it's used as an antiseptic. Okay, that turmeric powder, what you were calling, no, that turmeric powder contain this antiseptic property, that's the iodine. Now next is a synthetic. It is the largest source of medicines, and it has the advantage of a purity and uniformity of the product. They can be manufactured as per need. Okay, means synthetic, these are man-made. Then bismuth iodine, okay, then fluoroquinolones, these all are the synthetic types. Our last source of drug, that is biotechnology. Here in biotechnology, combine biological organisms with technology and generate new drugs. To generate the new drugs, novel drugs, we are using the biotechnology. Like peptides and proteins are now produced by recombinant DNA technology. Many insulins, they are also prepared by this type of the recombinant DNA technology. This is one of the novel drug technology. Which one? That is a biotechnology. Yes, my dear brothers and sisters, these are the nature and sources of the drug. So my request to you all, if you are new to this channel, subscribe our channel Let's Join Pharmacy to get this type of interested animated videos and turn on the bell icon. Thank you.